Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. So in managerial accounting or management accounting, we are discussing standard costing and variance analysis. Part of that, material variances we are discussing. Material variances are 5. Material cost, material price, material usage. These 3 we have seen. Okay. Now today 4th one, that is material mix variance we are going to see. Then after that, leftover material yield variance. By the way, did you check the playlist? There are many subjects already prepared by me by taking lot of time and energy. Please check out the playlist and don't forget to share these videos. Now let's enter into the material mix variance. Material mix variance formula is not one. There are many formulas. But according to the situation, you have to take the formula. Now say for example, these are the 3 formulas, material mix variance. Please carefully listen to this class. You will understand material mix variance. Many people get confused. First 3 are straight, clear, no doubt at all. But when it comes to material mix variance, many people get confused. If you understand this, there is no confusion at all. Now focus 3 formulas, material mix variance. When to use that particular formula, that you must know. First case is that when actual weight and standard weight mix are equal. Actual weight, standard weight. Both the weights are equal. Are you getting it? When both the weights are equal, then we'll use this formula. What is the formula? MMV, material mix variance, equal to standard price into standard quantity minus standard price into standard quantity. Actual quantity. Standard price into standard quantity minus standard price into actual quantity. Okay. This is when it is equal. Now coming to the second formula, when actual weight, standard weight mix are different. Previous one was equal. Standard, actual weight and standard weight both are equal, then we have used this formula. Both actual weight, standard weight both are different. Both are different. It's a very big formula, but easily you can understand. The formula is this: total weight of actual mix by total weight of standard mix. Total weight of actual mix by total weight of standard mix into standard cost of standard mix. Standard cost of standard mix minus, means everything is in the brackets, minus standard cost of actual mix. See, total weight of actual mix by total weight of standard mix into standard cost of standard mix minus standard cost of actual mix. This is the formula when standard weight and actual weight both are different. Clear? Now coming to third formula. When standard quantity is revised. What is revised? Standard quantity is revised due to shortage of material. Whenever there is a shortage of material, this standard quantity will be revised. If it is increasing or decreasing, means any kind of revise is happening, then we'll take this formula. That is standard price into revised standard quantity minus actual quantity. Are you able to understand? When there is any revision or revised standard quantity, then only we are taking standard price into revised standard quantity minus actual quantity. That's it. These 3 formulas you have to remember to know the material mix variance. When both are equal, when both are different, when something is revised. What is that? Standard quantity is revised. Then this is the formula. Now we'll see one problem today. The problem is given to us: from the following information, calculate material mix variance. Calculate material mix variance. What is given? Standard quantity, price. Actual quantity, actual price. Simple. Data is simple. Now you have to identify which formula we have to use. Third formula, no, because there is no revision. Like standard quantity is increasing or decreasing. Did they mention anything here? No. It means this is ruled out, not going to apply. Next, what? We have to check out actual quantity and actual weight and standard weight. See, standard weight is here 100. Okay, actual weight is also 100. Standard weight, actual weight. both are 100 means both are equal. Equal means when actual weight, standard weight both are equal, we'll take this formula. Right? We are going to use this formula. Are you understanding which formula we are taking now? So according to that, we'll apply the formula. How many materials are there? Material A and B both are given to us. So first we have to write the formula. Material mix variance, full form you have to write. That is equal to, what is the formula? SP into SQ minus SP into AQ. First we'll take for the material A. Standard price, material A and B together we can take, otherwise we'll give a gap for calculation. Standard price is 10. Standard quantity 40. Next standard price, once again standard price, that is 10 into actual quantity. Actual quantity is 50. We'll do the calculations. Now in the same way for B also. Standard price for B is 5 rupees and standard quantity is 60 rupees. Once again standard price of B is 5 rupees into actual quantity is 50. We'll do the calculations. 10 into 4, 40, 400. 400 minus 500. So the answer is here minus 100. We'll write 100 only, but adverse. In the same way this one also. 300 minus 250. $300, 250. So this is 50. Remember this, 500 minus 400 means minus 100, no? So this is unfavorable. And this is favorable. That's all. Clear? There is nothing to worry, only the formulas if you understand over. First take a screenshot, I'll give you a recap. Now today we understood what is material mix variance. Material mix variance we can calculate it through 3 formulas. What are the formulas? Actual weight, standard weight, both are equal. Then we use this formula. Actual weight, standard weight, both are different. Here in this problem both are equal. So we have used this formula. If both are different, unequal, then we'll use this big formula. And third one is when standard quantity is revised, then this is the formula. Now as per this problem, there is no revision, means third formula is ruled out. Now when you check up this quantity, both are equal. Both are equal means we are using the first formula, equal. This is the formula. We use it for the product A and B. For A we are getting 100 unfavorable. For B it is 50 favorable. So is that clear? Simple, nothing to worry. So this is the problem related to the material mix variance. And we'll see the other cases also when it is different, when revised, that we'll see in the coming classes. So please stay connected, study throughout the year. Before exams just you have to revise it, then you'll get a good marks. Stay connected and practice well. Don't forget to share this video. Good luck.